Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best steam cleaners for home, carefully chosen to help you tackle dirt, grime, and stubborn stains with ease. Whether you're looking for a compact option for quick cleanups, a heavy-duty model for deep cleaning, or a versatile tool for multiple surfaces, there's something here for every household. Be sure to check the description for the latest prices, details, and product links. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's get started, beginning with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Awaski Steam Cleaner. The Awaski GB 160 Steam Handheld Steam Cleaner makes deep cleaning fast, efficient, and chemical-free. With 50-second rapid heat-up and steam reaching up to 260 degrees Fahrenheit, it tackles grime on everything from tile grout to car interiors. The refill anytime design means there's no waiting or cooling. Just top off the tank and keep going. Its detachable hose makes storage easy, and the compact build fits comfortably in hand. The dry/wet switch adds flexibility for different surfaces, and the temperature monitor ensures safe, consistent steam output. With 21 included accessories, it handles floors, windows, upholstery, and even wallpaper removal. The multi-surface compatibility is impressive, ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, cars, and more. Maintenance is simple, and the lack of chemical cleaners saves money while protecting furniture and decor. Just remember to wear the heat-resistant glove and use the fiber cap for fabric surfaces. For fast, eco-friendly cleaning across the home, this steamer delivers versatility and power in one compact unit. Number 4. Fancy Mouse Steam Cleaner. The Fancy Mouse handheld steam cleaner delivers fast, high-pressure cleaning with impressive versatility. With 2500 W power and 3-bar steam pressure, it heats up in just 15 seconds and reaches up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, dissolving grease and grime with ease. The 3 adjustable steam levels and upgraded handle with indicator lights make it easy to control intensity for different surfaces. Its 1,400 milliliters high-capacity tank offers up to 45 minutes of runtime, and the top flip refill design prevents splashes while the bottom drainage simplifies disposal. The 78-inch extended hose and power cord reach ceilings, under furniture, and tight corners effortlessly. Built from heat-resistant ABS material, it's durable, chemical-free, and safe for families and pets. The compact body stores easily, and the included accessories, brushes, pads, towels, gloves, deliver commercial-grade results across tile, grout, upholstery, windows, and more. For best performance, keeping the nozzle close ensures maximum heat. This steamer handles deep cleaning with precision, power, and convenience. Number 3. Waitebird Steam Cleaner. The Waitebird CB03A Steam Cleaner delivers powerful, high-temperature cleaning across nearly every surface in the home. With steam reaching 248 degrees Fahrenheit, it tackles stubborn stains and grime with ease, and the 21 versatile accessories make it easy to switch between tasks, from grout and tile to windows, upholstery, and even car interiors. The 38-ounce water tank heats up in under 5 minutes and provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam, perfect for deep cleaning without interruptions. Safety is built in, thanks to the child lock and auto shutdown features, which protect against overheating or dry operation. The compact design with a carry handle makes it easy to move from room to room, and the extended hose and shoulder strap offer added flexibility for reaching high walls and tight spaces. Whether cleaning floors, countertops, or appliances, this steamer provides a chemical-free, efficient solution that's safe for families and pets, ideal for thorough, eco-friendly home care. Number 2. Wagner Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner. The Wagner 905E Steam Cleaner makes car detailing simple and chemical-free. With pressurized steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it loosens dirt, cuts through grease, and disinfects surfaces like upholstery, dashboards, and carpets. The built-in carrying handle makes it easy to move around the vehicle, and the compact design stores neatly when not in use. Equipped with 12 versatile accessories, including brushes, nozzles, and a squeegee, it handles everything from tight crevices to large fabric surfaces. The steam-ready indicator light helps monitor operation. Just fill with up to 40 ounces of distilled water, wait for the orange light to turn off, and start cleaning. Even while the light cycles back on during use, steam continues flowing, so there's no need to pause. It's also great for indoor tasks like windows, countertops, and tile. For safe, efficient cleaning without harsh chemicals, this steamer delivers reliable performance and convenience across both automotive and household surfaces. Number 1. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. The Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner delivers powerful, chemical-free cleaning with sleek portability. Producing superheated steam up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, it lifts dirt, grease, and grime from floors, tiles, upholstery, and more, without harsh chemicals. The versatile 17-piece kit includes specialized tools for tackling kitchens, bathrooms, vehicles, and tight corners, making it a true all-in-one solution. Its compact and portable design is lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for reaching under furniture or into narrow spaces. With a large tank capacity, it provides up to 50 minutes of continuous steam per fill, so deep cleaning sessions stay uninterrupted. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, it offers peace of mind and dependable performance. Tested to kill 99.9% of common bacteria and viruses when used as directed, this steamer is ideal for maintaining a safe, fresh home environment. Whether detailing a car or sanitizing tile grout, it combines efficiency, safety, and convenience in one sleek package. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.